A man was shot and injured on Tuesday morning near the Pernell Charles Arcade in downtown Kingston. The incident occurred sometime after 8 a.m. along East Parade. The injured man was rushed to the nearby Kingston Public Hospital, the police cordon off an area, which resulted in temporary closure of a section of the shopping facility. Investigations are continuing. A man who police say was among relatives embroiled in an alleged 6-year family dispute over land and houses succumbed on Sunday after he was chopped during an altercation on Saturday. Police named him as Sheldon Brown, 48, a resident of Marshall's Pen in Mandeville. However, residents say he resided in the neighboring community of Miketown. A senior police source told Observer Online that investigators are probing whether his death is linked to the alleged family dispute. A police report said that about 10:45 p.m. on Saturday, Brown had an altercation with a man. He was chopped several times. He was assisted to hospital where he was being treated before succumbing. The now deceased brother Michael, 48, otherwise called Jimmy, was killed on January 19 about 2:20 a.m. while in bed. 4 days later, after laying their 74-year-old mother to rest. Another relative, Lemon Brown, who police named as a brother of the deceased, was charged with murder following the incident. However, residents say he is a cousin of the deceased. The driver, who reportedly fled the scene of a fatal collision in Bluefield, Westmoreland on Monday, is now in police custody. The development was confirmed by Deputy Superintendent of Police in charge of operations in the Westmoreland Police Division, Adrian Hamilton. Senior Superintendent Wayne Joseph, head of the Westmoreland Police Division, told Observer Online on Tuesday morning that the attorney of the driver contacted the police and made an arrangement to turn himself in. The police have also identified the 5 people who died in the accident. They are O'Neill Allen, otherwise called Dummy, and his 65-year-old mother, Angela Samuels, both of Mount Edgecombe Farm District, 39-year-old Patrina Wallace and her 15-year-old daughter, Lavicia Forrester, both of Garden District, White House, and 54-year-old Janet Thompson of McAlpine District, all in Westmoreland.